Hello everyone, welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. Today we will show you how to install texture packs in Minecraft Java. So let's get started. Go to your browser and search Minecraft texture packs. Now click on this link. Now click on your desired texture pack. Scroll down and download the version that is compatible with your game version. After download complete, copy it. Now type %appdata% on Windows Explorer. Click on .minecraft folder. Then click on resource packs folder. Paste the copied file here. Now go to the Minecraft game. Go to main menu. Click on options. Then click on resource packs. Now select the resource pack you just installed. As you can see, everything looks different. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to 5 Minute Solution channel for more Minecraft tips.